This is Blockchain Live with UBJ, and you're welcome to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So today we'll be talking about how to set up your Metamask to connect to the Matic Mainnet, which is the Matic Mainnet Custom RPC. So to do that, we'll start by coming to your Metamask. You open your Metamask first. Let's wait for that to load. Okay, it's loaded. So then we come here and we go to Custom RPC. So for the network name, we're going to name it Matic Mainnet. Then new RPC URL, that will be https rpc/mainnet.matic.network. Our chain ID is going to be 137. Our currency symbol will be Matic. Our block explorer URL is going to be https explorer.matic.network. So would cross-check to confirm we put the correct values, and that's it. You save it, and when you check your custom RPC, you can see Matic mainnet here, and with this you can actually connect to the Matic mainnet. Yeah, next, connect, sign. So right now you can now connect to your Matic wallet here on the Matic mainnet. So the values again for the custom RPC are okay. I think I'm going to link that in the comment and in the description box. I'm going to link the individual values for RPC URL, network name, chain ID, symbol, and the block explorer URL. I'll also put a link to a post to get other info about that. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay safe.